Good. Yes po. Ang ganda ng summertime. Sana mag-promote na kayo. Kaya nga po, excited na rin ako. Actually, we're learning the choreo na of summertime. Kaya excited na din akong makita nyo yung choreo nito kasi maganda. Ang cute ng chorus part. I think I would say na yung chorus part, ay chorus ba yun? Ang cute ng steps niya. Parang, cute! Yeah, makikita nyo rin. Nandyan ka pala ulit sa pader niya. Yeah. Pader. Iba nga ngayon. Iba naman ngayon. Kasi, di ba lagi ako nag-live sa Cortina namin. So, merong Tagalog lyrics ng summertime na Utbe na pakinggan. Hindi pa. Sa Tagalog, ito. Teka, sorry. Tagalog. Wala naman eh. Akala ko green screen. Bakit? Does it look like a green screen ba? Madali lang choreo niyan. Madaming ikot. Ang napansin ko, maraming ikot. Marami ba? Parang. Secret. Pero medyo mahirap. Mahirap ang choreo. Mahirap pa din ang choreo. Pwede. Hi, Vanda! Welcome to my live! Magki-quick live lang tayo ngayon. Hanggang lang tayo. 11. Yan, hindi ko napapabutin ng 12 AM kasi, syempre, yoko naman puyat kayo, diba? Syempre, healthy living na tayo. We shouldn't make puyat. Ate, can you recommend sunscreen? Actually, wala rin akong sunscreen. Ano yung sunscreen ko? Alam mo yan? Yung Etid House, yung kay Sandara. Pero naubos ko na siya. Tapos, hindi ko rin siya ma-recommend kasi malagkit siya. Napakainit dito sa Pinas. Kaya, I'm still wondering pa din. Pa din ako sa sunscreen. Hindi ko alam kung anong pwedeng ma-recommend. I think yung not sponsored pero yung Bello. Kasi it says it's made from the Philippines. Like, ginawa siya para sa Philippines daw. Philippines! Yes, kasi di ba mainit, tapos grabe yung araw. It has SPF 50, and it doesn't have a greasy feeling. Hindi, kasi ayun yung nakalagay dun. If I remember it right, the pure matcha is used for the Japanese tea ceremony. Wala ako. Request song. Oh yeah, okay. Let's naparinig. Thank you, NJ! Narinig ko lang yung parang clip lang. Supernatural. Ng New Jeans. After netong Igay, let's play New Jeans. Para my heart, at kind of yours. Thank you, NJ. Hindi, lang kasi, like parang yung alam ko lang. Kasi wala rin ako masyadong alam sa mga sunscreen. Napaka-essential nun dito sa Philippines. Kasi grabe yung UV ray, diba? Grabe yung araw. Sabi nga nila, kahit daw nasa bahay ka, you should, apply sunscreen pa din. Parang mo na rin yun, parang skincare na din. Kaya, ayun, mag-sunscreen kayo. Parang awa nila. Wah! Important yun, important. Ate, can you recommend powder? It can be loose or compact powder. Oh, I have this, I tried a Japanese brand, and it's nice. Especially if you're cool tone. The Canmic. You got my heart. Thank you, Kazas Bear. Yung Canmic. Ano siya? Compact powder. It gives you a really clear looking skin. Clear looking skin! Hindi kasi pag sinuot mo siya, nagbe-blur siya. Nagbe-blur yung pores mo. Ganun. Nagbe-blur siya. Tsaka, ano siya? Lightweight. Kapag sinuot mo siya, you don't feel anything. It feels like you didn't put any makeup on your face. Tsakay, ayun, compact powder. Or kaya yung baby powder. Kasi it works the best pa din sa mga ibang hindi pa alam or takot mag-try ng ibang powder. Baby powder. Nagbalik epic na ba ang lahat? Yes, Choco Powder. Choco Powder! Choco Powder! Sino yun? Yes, nagbalik na ba ang lahat? Kanina pagising ko huli, nag-ML agad. Kasi pagbukas ko ng ML, ayun, back to Epic. Epic 3. Yes po, ano? Huh? Saan? Konbanwa, Clary. Konbanwa, Hori. Hi, I'm from Indonesia. Apa kabar? Oh, what are we gonna play next? Grabe naman pagising. Ito dulas. Hindi joke lang yun. Grabe naman kayo maniwala. Hindi yun totoo. Ang totoo, mga hapon pa ako nag-open. Tapos ayun, back to Epic. Grabe naman yun. Parang too much naman. Pagising ML. Tapos inuna pa yun no. Uy, wag kaya ganon. Kimpot Parang nakikita ko si Kimpot. Parang laging active. Parang bawat bukas ko ng ML, active siya. Ano bang ginagawa? Puro ML ka ba? Ay, huwag kang ML ng ML, ha? Naku, pahinga rin. Nagpahinga rin. Talaga ka mag-TV. Panalo parehas. Hi, Clariel from Philippines. Hi, Shomai. Shumai rice. Next time na maglaro tayo, mananalo na tayo. Yeah. Mananalo na tayo. Kasi, malalakas na tong mga bumubuhat. Hindi, joke lang. Malalakas na kasi yung mga, crayons. Galing-galing kaya nila mag-ML. Diba? Thank you, Tartar. Wag ka na tayo. I cannot read. Gomenasai. Sino lagi nagpapabuhat? Hindi ako pabuhat Grabe naman kayo. Pabuhat na ako sa school, pati ba naman sa M? Hindi, joke lang. Hindi naman. Lahat naman, merong mga contribution. Lahat naman, nagbubuhat. Malalakas naman lahat. Do you like JKT48 songs? Yes, I like to listen to Rhapsody when I go to sleep. I play Rhapsody. And then this Magic R, I've been playing it a lot because it's really cute and catchy song. Thank you for following FJK. My heart. Thank you so much, Tartar. Request Rhapsody. Okay, let's play Rhapsody after Magic Hour. Actually, it's finished na. Let's play na ba? Rhapsody. Umuulan ba dito? Hindi po umuulan. Kanina, ang lakas ng ulan. Akala ko nga di ako makapag-live kasi nawalan kami ng wifi. Tapos alam niyo yung mas malala pa doon, nagrarang kakots, biglang nawalan ka kami ng internet. Ayun, tuloy, may violation ako. AFK. Do you like Fortune Cookie? Yes, that's my favorite song of Fortune Cookie. Do you want in Jakarta and meet JKT48? Of course, I want to meet JKT. Although I've already met some JKT48 members, like Fioni, Z, Adele, and more. Freya Chan, she's super nice. She's super kind and really friendly. Actually, all of them are really friendly. And I want to make friends with them. Grabe kidlat paghapon, no? Totoo. Grabe. Alam mo ba, Kimpod? Kahapon, di ba, nagkita-kita kami nila Rhea, tas Chan. Naiwan ko yung payong ko. Ayun, parang may nag-iisa kong payong. How sad. Eh, syempre, maulan pa naman. But it's okay. We have our, tawag doon? Ano tawag doon? Basta ayun, alam niyo na yun. Yung parang, spare! Yung spare! Narinig niyo? Did you know Freya? Yes, I've met her. I've met Freya Senpai. She is super friendly, super pretty, and super kind. She was like very talky. Which 46G song do you want MNL48 to adapt? Number 1 is, my first talaga is Heavy Rotation. That would be my top. Heavy Rotation. I want MNL48 to have their own version of Heavy Rotation. Do you like Marsha and JKT? Yes! I've also met her and she is super pretty. And then she gave me a gift. There's chocolate and then tea. Yeah, there's a tea and then a chocolate. I actually have a video of her when she gave me the chocolate. She's super kind. They're all kind, super kind and genuine. Kiss the Rain. Ayun ba yung yung sad song? Pampaiyak. Pampaiyak. BTS Jean. Diba may heart of yours? Thank you, Cuddles Bear. Huh? Okay. Tinin, 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 tin, tin. Dun, dun, dun.
Here's Nankit Optipro, the only one with B-Line.
Clario, you are my Oshi. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Cloudy Young. Thank you. Babay na. Nagbabatak na ulit mi sa RG. Sige, good luck sa ML mo. Good luck. Sana manalo ka. Good luck. Good luck. Piju. Good luck. Fortune Cookie. Alright, we'll play Fortune Cookie. We'll play all the songs you want to play. Teka, mukha mo si Karina. Oh. Sinchayo. Ananen. Wala yun ba? Nenya sayaw. Siya po si Karina ng Mobile Legends na hindi marunong mag-retry. Hindi marunong mag-retry. Can you dance Fortune Cookie? Okay. Dance with the Fortune Cookie. Si Clarina po yan. Clarina ng MNL 21. Hello po, I'm na 48 member ka po na talaga. Ha? Ano? Apart from JKT48, which other groups do you like? Oh, I like aespa. It's a Korean girl group. Their songs are super nice. It's like robot. Really artificial intelligence. AI vibes. And then I like New Jeans because they're really unique. They have this vibes that I like to vibe. Ano? And of course, JKT48, AKB, BNK, our sister groups, and syempre, MNL. Anong mga kanta ng JKT ang gusto mo? Okay, I'll give three songs. I'll give my top three. My number one is Rhapsody, Magikarp, and then Flying High. Flying Get. That is my top three. How about you? What is your top three song? What is your top three song of MNL? Cla, what is that? I don't know. Flying High kasi yun. What did I said? I said Flying High. A feeling and I'm enjoying it. Kain na lang tayo. Let's eat. I hope everybody has already eaten their dinner. Because we're gonna eat. Yung ganito, magkano ba to? Parang 100 plus. Depende sa size niya. Yung kinuha ko yung maliit lang. I think parang mag 200 ata. Opo, memorize ko yung choreo ng heavy rotation. Ha? Ano? Memorize ko to. Kahit nga yung una, yung may pasipa pataas. Kasi ito yung dapat sasayawin ko sa Satan side. Kaya inaral ko siya. Can you speak Indonesia? Apa kabar? Yeah, that's the Apa kabar? Apa kabar, Richard? No, before, last year, di lang siya natuloy. Pero ayun, supposedly meron na sana. Okay, what are we gonna play? Supernatural lang, o nga pala. I forgot.
And keep skin fresh
Hindi
all
yun
day.
nasa
Try
tayo.
Celatec 2-step hydration. Plus,
Hindi, yung Supernatural nung New
10 times
Jeans.
hydrating booster
Bago nila.
plus 10 hour
3 days ago.
For fresh,
Aray ko, sa
healthy-looking skin all day.
parang naipin na ang
Celatec.
blood. Have you ever been a center in Group 40? I haven't been a center in my group. Tsaka yung right now nila. Sige, play natin. Clarille, do you know what alphabet that I'm like? Alphabet that I like is... Ano ang ganyan? Who is the captain of Seminole 48? Our captain is Ate Jem. She is our captain. Saan ka nang galing? Siyempre dun lang sa sa farm. My Oshi on JKT48. She already graduated. My Oshi is Adele, but she graduated. But I also like Z. I think she also graduated. I don't know. Ang ganda nga ng song niya eh. Lakas mga 90s yung vibe. Ganda ni Minji. So pretty. What is that, Richard? What is Chico? Adele Rose. Thank you, Kunando. Kunando? Kunando? Ano, makakain na nga lang. This is a nice song. I'll add this to my playlist. Add this to my playlist. Yung ano niya parang yung ses, parang ganun yung dating, kung alam niya yung ses. Kumanta yung Dreams Come True, I'm Your Girl, parang ganun. Hindi talaga mag-disappoint sa kanta ng New Jeans, ang gaganda ng songs. Diba? Like, all their songs are so nice. All are hits. Oh, there's Japanese. Japanese ba itong song to or Korean?
Yes.
Ang lakas mga aesthetic talaga ng Can you play Sonichi Filipino Acoustic Translation by Primo George? Sonichi. what is your favorite song on MNL? We have this, we have released our first original single entitled Summertime. If you haven't listened to it, please give it a try and then dance with the magic of summer vibes. Next month na ko nila dito. You mean New Jeans ba? New Jeans ba? I'm having a migraine. Hello, New Jeans ba? Summer vibes. Yes, summer vibes. Summertime. Kla, good evening. Hi, Jeremia. Welcome to my live. What is your gen? I am third generation. I've joined MNL last 3 years ago. 3 years ago ba? Yeah. Yung I've ba? Grabe. Sana all na lang sa mga kapunta. Pupunta ka ba, Kimpot? Senpai na po siya. Yeah, I'm a senpai na. Hi, konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Kare desu, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Pag nag-send ako ng gift sa office niyo sa hindi ko po alam eh. Your Honor, hindi ko na po maalala. RV sa September. Grabe, sunod-sunod ang concert na. You pana my heart, I pana yours. Thank you so much, Jack! Ito ba yun? Shunichi. 5 years ago. Basta wag muna S4 New Jeans next year na sila pumunta dito. That will be our priority. We should go now. So, twice 10 years sa October. Oh, talo na ako na. Nagko-cover talaga si Primo George. Nagko-cover siya ng mga songs. Gumagawa siya ng niya. He has this cold voice. Cold voice! Tapos sabay nag-concert next year. Ay, naku, pupatay tayo. Omo-otokeo. Sana upubet ko rin ang translation niya for Love Trip po. Okay, so siya rin yung nagta-translate nung kanta? Talaga? Wow, ang galing naman niya. Ang galing naman niya ito mag-translate. Uy, lumabas na pala yung bago ng Red Velvet, yung Cosmic nila. Nakikita ko lang yung mga concept photos nila. Wow, amazing. Awesome. Ganda ng video mo ngayon, ah. You like the song? I actually also like this song. Dati pa siya may cover ng mga AKB songs. Into Tagalog. Yeah, this one is 5 years ago. And then, oo nga. Nasa na yung kortina? Nasa kwarto. Nasa kwarto, Vendel. Mismo na ba? Mismo na ba yung kortina? Do you still have contact with other members of MNL? Of course, I have contact with them. Because we are like sisters, of course, we have to be in touch with each other. Hindi pa. And meron pa din. You want to have kapatid na babae. I do have a kapatid na babae. I do have a sister. We're two girls. May bias sa Bini. My bias sa Bini is si Gwen. I super like her fashion, her sense of fashion. And I also like her voice. And I heard she's from Bulacan. I mean, Bicol. Diba? She's like a Bicolano din. Pangarap na pinaghirapan, ito hintayin mo para walang katapusan hanggang sa huli lahat ng matutupad. Bicolano ka rin, Clariel. Yes. Bicolana. Ang kahilingan mo. Favorite song ko, Pantropico. Pantropico. How about you? How about you, Miss Pangit? What is your favorite song sa MNL 48? Galing ng spoon, laki at wooden ba? 안녕하세요. 한국 모르겠어요. Let's try to listen to Love Trip. Bingo? Sige, bingo. May bingo ba? Anong bingo, Wendell? How are you, Dad? I am good. Thank you for your wonderful question. I'm doing good. I'm eating matcha, my favorite food. Is it a food, but yeah, matcha is a food and it's my favorite. Konnichiwa, Konnichiwa, Jeremiah. Hi, Clariel. Hi, Kenneth. Bingo sa Bingo sa Peria, Bendel. Mag-end daw aking leg. Tangkaman niyo. Wala, may buto, guys. Yun. O yun, may ano tawag doon? Meron akong puzzle. Who is the dancer na MNL48? Dancer? There's a lot of dancer here at MNL48. MNL48 girls are really talented. They know how to dance. They know how to sing. They also know how to do hosting, acting. Actually, all the girls at MNL48 are all-rounder. They can do anything. And just give them a little time. They could do it really good. You will be impressed. Impressed? Choto Mateo. I'll just cut At marunong din sila mag-tumbling. Yes, they're really flexible. They know how to do split, cartwheel, tumbling, gymnastics. Akala mo talaga scammer. Okay, Kimpot. I will do a tumbling for you if we had the opportunity. Right now, I cannot do it because we have a little space. As you can see, this, I cannot make tumbling. I might get ouchy. Kaya, when we have a bigger space, maybe we'll do it para sa'yo. Eme lang, te. Favorite song ko po sa MNL48 is River po. Oh, that's nice choice. You know, River is actually one of my favorite songs din sa MNL. Because you could feel emotions doon sa song na yun. Lalo na lockdown yun nagawa. Maraming emotions kang mag-feel. Yeah, it's a really nice song. Can you dance heavy rotation? Of course. Do you know, Richard, I've already learned heavy rotation. Like, when I watch it, I learned it. Yeah, I mean, I practice the practice it. It's a really nice dance, and it's my favorite song. Favorite song ko po ng MNL48 ay Bingo. Bingo. That's a nice song. Let's patugtog Bingo. Naalala ko tong Bingo. Yung pinaperform namin to sa mall show, sa mga events, mga handshake event. Kala, how is your night going? My night is my night is good. Oh my gosh, I'm losing words. I'm losing words. Oh no, what the KO. Okay naman, huwag na lang mag-English. Okay. My night is nice. My night is nice. I'm eating matcha, and then I'm planning on eating again. Let's eat. As you can see, I've already finished because it's yummy. Kakamiss pumunta sa mall, tapos kayo ang papanoorin. Namiss na rin namin kayo makita sa mall. Mali. Teka, ano ba tawag doon? Upuan? Ano ba tawag doon? Basta, namiss na rin namin magbalik sa stage and then makita yung MN Love. Ay ko. Ano ba papatugtugin natin? Let's play fortune cookie. Ay, bingo pala. And then fortune cookie. Yung lumalabas yung Grabe na kala.
Hindi ako papayag.
Nakakainis lang kasi akala ko marami sekoy na punta sa robo.
Kayang pasarapin.
Hala, bakit kasi walang punta? Onti lang. Hayaan nyo. Kapag merong mall show, mag-present kayo lahat. I'm manifesting. Can you dance fortune cookie? JKT? Of course! Let's play it after the song. AKB new single Go With Shun Jata Please. Yeah, we've already played that. Let's play that later again. Let's play it later again. Ay, oo nga. Naalala ko na dati, yung nagtukumo ba kami, sinasabi ko sa inyo, ba't kayo naka-black? Pwede ba mag-iba kayo ng color? Meron pa tayong color coding. Tapos hindi naman kayo nakikinig. Tapos sabihin nyo, okay, noted. Tapos pagdating na ng actual event, wala. Nakaitim pa din kayo. Ano to? Are you not, are you joking me? noong Robins along Manila Bay, marami pumunta ng crayons. I remember that day, Bendel. Grabe, nakaka-overwhelmed na. Ang daming M&Loves, ang daming crayons na pumunta. Sana maulit-ulit. Sana maulit-ulit. Nakaka-miss. Sana next mall show, sana kayo pa din. Sana. Congrats on Summertime. So good. Thank you. Keep streaming. You know the choreo is also good. So when it's uploaded, try to check it out. Check it out. Hi, good evening, Clary. Hi, Jeshu. Good evening. Gaya style ko ni Paul Walker, naka-navy shirt. Hala, baka idol ka niya. That's why he's copying you. He's copying you. You're like the idol, role model. Role model ba? Excuse me. Ayan, punta daw kasi kayo, lagi kayo absent. Kaya nga, baka naman. Okay ba ang summertime na kayo? Yes, my summertime is really good. Because we already released our first original single, Summertime. And then, yeah, no more school. Nice. And then we're gonna learn the choreo of this song. Of Summertime. Good. Ilang beses lang ako absent. Parang hindi na mabibilang kimpot sa kamay. Hindi na siya mabibilang. Kamusta sa pag-win sa ML class? Okay naman, may times na talo, may times din naman na nanalo, so it's good naman. Mahirap din kasi yung mga kalaban since may mga malalakas talaga na nagpapataas agad ng rank, mga kalabang ang malalakas. May mga giging kakampi ka rin naman na malalakas, which will make buhat you. Sana make buhat. Ouch, may baki is hurty. Diba? Haha. Thank you for the coffee. Let's play Fortune Cookie.
Pag may snack ka, kulitan with Royal. Don't skip Nida 3 Flask to help protect your toddler against coughs and colds.
Tamis ko silang kinain. Saan ka man yo? Ay, baba. Paulo. Yes. It's my goal. Yeah, to drink lots of water, keep yourself hydrated at all time. At all time. Yeah. You should also drink lots of water, keep yourself hydrated, especially it's super hot nowadays. Kaya you have to drink lots of water, keep yourself hydrated. Paulit-ulit lang tayo, keep yourself hydrated, drink lots of water. Remember, drink lots of water. Yeah. Meron po akong pasok kimpot. Meron po kasi kaming mga clearance. Kailangan namin mag-firma. Kaya, pagpasok pa. Huwag na ba? Kailangan ba ng clearance? What if wag na? Paano kapag hindi ka nang kaganon? Jiko Sokay. I've been seeing that comment, but I have no idea what that means. Ano ba yung dito? Ha? Jiko Sokay. I don't know. What does that mean? Come on, yung I'll let me. Na-perform mo na ba? Umiintak mo sa'yo? Hindi pa. Not yet. Marami pa akong MNL songs na hindi ko pa na-perform. Katulad niyan. Ano ba? Ano hindi? Na-perform ko na ang Fortune Cookie. Pero marami pa rin akong MNL songs na hindi ko pa na-perform. Like, ano ba? Ayun. Good luck sa clearance mo, Kla. Sana wala ka kulang na requirements. Kaya nga nahirapan naman kapag maghahabol ka with the requirements. 1, 2, 3 Yoroshiko. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think I've performed that. Parang hindi pa. Diba? Madami din na. Hindi ko pa nag-perform. Oo, hindi pa. Ay, haven't. Labrador Retriever. Na-perform ko na siya sa yung concert, Christmas concert namin. One time lang. And gusto ko ulit siya ma-perform kasi yung cute ng dance. Until what time ako ngayon? Siguro 10:30. Mga 10:30 mag-end na tayo. Ano nga ulit fave say Fuku Makla? Ano nga ba ulit yung fave say Fuku ko? Ano yung favorite ko say Fuku? Maganda naman lahat. parang gusto ko naman lahat. Pero gusto, yung favorite ko yung I think, yung pang Can't You Say. Gusto ko yung Seifuku na. Gusto ko ulit masuot yung Seifuku. Parang Japanese lang na. School girl. Yun. Tapos yung color pink. Yung color pink, although wala pa kami na-release na ganung picture, pero we had this photo shoot wearing that Seifuku. Yung color pink siya, white top, and then pink na necktie, tapos pink na skirt. Ayun, cute. Tapos, Can't You Say? Yun yung favorite. PKM. Ayun. Yeah, that's also my favorite. Maganda naman lahat ng Seifuku, kaya parang mahirap pumili, ganun. Pero, yeah. I actually don't understand, but I will listen to you talk. Oh, thank you, Aldo. I hope I can speak the language that you could understand. Where are you from? I am from the Philippines. Who is from? Me is Indonesia. Apa kabar? Kinanta ng Iiwake sa TME at PTA. Yeah, that's also what. I like performing that song. JKT48. I hope we could have the chance to meet JKT members again. I hope MNO48 could meet JKT again.
Experts examine.
May gusto ba kayong pakinggan? Summertime. Let's play Summertime.
Taste every flavor.
Yung.
Summertime, feeling alive. Says the ball, let's take it time. Everyone's afraid of love.
Ay, sing lang.
Summertime, feeling alive. Says the ball, let's take it time. Everyone's afraid of love. But I won't hold back not another day. Taking me this roll to the core. She's a feeling shock the more. I really wanna know what's the deal. Of 1,000 suns can't be
Ito pa, latest.
Things are getting out of control. You are the kind of one I want to tell. So what are we waiting for? 'Cause it's summertime. I'm burning my heart on the line, yeah, but I'm gonna cry. I know that it will be alright, yeah. So bring it on, let's just get it.
Kita yung isa. Yeah, nakita ko nga malapit na mag 200. Grabe talaga. Grabe ang mga MN loves mag-support. Anong? Are you really one of the members of MNO48? Why? Why? Of course. Ano? I want to ask. Yeah, you could ask questions. Ayaw kanila paniwalaan ka. Bakit ba? Hi, Ate Clariel, may official card ba ang MNO48? Official card? Photo card ba? Yeah, they do. They do. Yeah, we do have a card. We have the photo. Where ba? I'm not sure if we have. Hi po ate. Hi Miles. Photo card ba? Meron ba? Yeah, meron. We have photos. Can you speak Indonesian? I'm not really good at speaking Indonesian. I just know a little words like how are you is like apa kabar, apa kabar. Selamat pagi, selamat malam. I'm learning. Thank you, Bean. Thank you, Bean. Thank you for following. Malam. What is malam? Thank you, Mosh Blade. Namumula? Alam, bakit kaya namumula? Hindi ko rin alam. Baka kasi healthy. They said kapag you're healthy, you have this red cheeks. Allergies. Kakaya mo yan. O hindi, kaya naman talaga. Mapa-play natin ng song. Anong pa-play nating song? Anong gusto niyong song? Anong gusto niyong i-play na song? Yung mga song. Real or fake? Ting, ting, ting. New song of AKB48. Okay, let's play their 64th single. Real or fake? Real. Oh no, fake. Oh, and yeah, let's play Overdrive. Thank you, Jean Patchwick. Oh no, can't. Tama ba yun? Is it nighttime there again? Yes, it is nighttime. It's like 10 p.m. in the afternoon. In the evening. Thank you. Thank you, Moshi. Thank you, Jeannie. Nagbigay ng nickname. Thank you. Have you tried any Indo food? I've tried some when I was at Indonesia. Jakarta. Yeah. I like the mee goreng. I like the mee goreng. I am Jeannie. What's your wish? Wish? Oh, I have a 3 wish. Sabay kayo ni M48 Gem mag-live. Sino na-miss most JKT48? Ang pinaka na-miss ko si Freya. Kasi ang bait niya talaga. Kumbaga, hindi, Tagalog yung question. So, I should answer in Tagalog. Oh! Bait niya kasi. Tapos, it's really easy to talk to her. Did you just call me Moshi? Moshi! Moshi, Moshi! Moshi, Moshi! Hala ka clan, nasa hot seat ka. Oh, okay, babay na. Hala, I have to go na pala. I have school tomorrow. I have to get my clearance. Biglang ganon. Dahil mga 10:30 tayo. Mga 10:30 tayo mag-end. Ha? Wrong swipe ako, Oshi. It's okay. Akala ko 11. Gusto niyo ba mag-11 tayo? Gusto niyo ba mag-end tayo ng 11? Anong oras na ba? 10:40. Gusto niyo ba 11? 11 a.m. Tutulugan niyo lang ako. Sige, kung gusto niyo 11, magsasend kayo ng Cupid heart. Ayun, tingnan natin kung gusto niya ako mag-11. Sige na. Sige na, guys. Minsan lang ako mag-budol. So. You're the third member who called me Moshi. Like, ano meron? Haha, very things. I don't know. Maybe kasi parang cute lang yung Moshi. Moshi, Moshi, Moshi. Moshi, Moshi. Hello, hello. Ta, ta, dating. Ano daw? Yung kanta na SNSD. Tutulugan ka namin, di ba nga? Ikaw pa yung namin. So, pwede tulugan pag gano'n. Oo nga na, pwede naman siguro. Pwede naman siguro. Anong kanto? Hello, hello, Moshi, Moshi, tata, Meji, Meji. Ito yan. Beep, beep. Huwag nakla, baka mapagod ka. Ha? Ako? Siyempre, hindi ako mapapagod kapag kayo ano ya? This song. Hello, hello, Moshi, Moshi, cha-cha, Meji, Meji. Ano daw? Hindi ako makatulog kasi nga kumain ako ng matcha. Di ba it has caffeine? Diba this song? Ubus na ang matcha, wala na matcha. I want more. Ubus na, naubos ko din siya. Are we from Thailand? Are we from Thailand? No, not from Thailand. I am from the Philippines. Wala, naalala ko tuloy yung ganyan sailor ko nung mga Kumu days. I'm from Jupiter, siguro yung mga random na nanonood. Dula, ang weird naman ito. Ano sinasabi nito ni Ate Girl? Siguro sabi niya ng crazy ko. Actually, even now, I'm still crazy. Amin na doon. Ay, naku talaga ka-real. Chinchash? Are you an idol? Yes, I am your idol. Your idol. Yes, that is correct. Wheels on the bus. Ayan ang mga gusto niyo, diba? Wheels on the bus. Wheels on the bus. Do you know GigaChat? Is that like ChatGPT? I don't use AI apps because we are human. We should do it. I mean, don't ask the robot to do the things you have to do. You should do it because you can do it. I go. Shanti Pri. I miss Barbara. Actually, I also miss Barbara. Sometimes I'm wondering, where is my turtle? She's been missing for like a year. She's small pa naman. You know, baby turtle. And then she's gone missing. Like one day, I was looking for my turtle, but she is gone. She is missing. I cannot see. Gone. Nag-alis talaga siya. Sabi nila ganun daw talaga yung mga turtle. Kapag pagod na daw sila sa'yo. Pagod na sila sa'yo. Pag nagsasawa na. When they tired of you, they leave you. Which is really sad. Because I love my Barbara turtle, but she is gone. Anyways, ayun. It's sad, but I think she would survive the world because I believe she is brave. She can be. Anyways, oh my gosh, what am I talking about? It's so shy. Oh yeah, there's a new song, Red Velvet. You know Red Velvet? I saw their concept photos. It's super. Wow. Yepuda. It's cosmic. I haven't listened to it yet. So let's give it a try. Cosmic. This is 3 hours ago, by the way. Very new. Like AKB48, 1 hour ago. This one 3 hours ago. Wow. Oh my god, Sugi so Yepuda. Hello, really? I really? Hontoni Yepuda, Sugi. Oh my god, I really super Yepuda. Oh. Hala, ang ganda nga. Ang ganda. I love the concept of this. They're like fairy. Oh my gosh, super Yepuda. They're really Yepuda. How to have long hair? First step is do not cut your hair. Never cut your hair. To have long hair, never cut your hair. Do not shampoo your hair. I mean, you should shampoo your hair, but once a week or maybe twice a week. It depends on how oily your hair is. Stop. How to get rid of white hair? Remove your hair. No more hair. No hair, no white hair. No problem. Para hindi mag-hair fall. Yeah. Love super Yepuda. I love the concept. Ipuda yun. Hello, Wendy is super Yepuda. I haven't seen Joy pa. Yepuda yun. No words, super Yepuda. What P-pop group do you stand? MNO48. MNO48. Yeah. Do you know MNO48? Info orang Indo yang di MNL. Yes, nakita ko na rin yung bagong single ng AKB. Kanina, pinanood namin yung yung 64th single nila. 1 hour ago, bagong pa. Yung choreo nila, super energetic. Alam niyo, parang ano din, parang rumor. Yung dance nila, parang rumor. Schoolgirl din. It's nice too. Kantahan ko kayo. Summertime, feeling alive. Stars above, let's take a dive. Everyone's afraid of love. Ako dari Indonesia dan aku suka kamu. Hey. I hope someday I could understand and learn bahasa language. Wala, nakakatakot. secret ng long hair ni Clarille, magpagupit lang kayo ng akin niya. Uy, hindi. Grabe naman to. Hindi na talaga ako magpapagupit. Kahit tumaba ng hanggang paa. Anduew. Dami. Ano si Manag, dami. Dami. Ang ganda ng bago nila. Okay. Let's play again. Summertime, feeling alive. Just a ball, let's take a time. Everyone's afraid of love. But I won't hold back. Not another day. Let's play that song. Keep on streaming. Yeah, hindi na nga talaga ako nagpapagupit. Siguro, I would. Like, siguro, dream lang kapag meron tayong mga pero never na like this. Kasi, why not? I don't know.
Summertime, feeling alive. Says the world, let's take a dive. Everyone's afraid of love, but I won't hold back. Not another day. Sucking deep and strong to the core. She's a thrill.
Bangs din. Actually, I do have a bangs when I was a young. When I was a young? What? When I was young, I think 1 year ago, when I have a brown hair, I had a bangs, but then I grew it. It's long na. And then, yeah. Shonda na ngayon. What, 25? What are you talking about, Kimpot? I don't know. Hey, don't say that, Kimpot. They might believe you. They might think it's true. You know that life's too short, but I feel that he loves the game. Let's play. Fabulous, marvelous, always full of high love's dangerous. Girl, can you do gymnastics? You know, I like gymnastics. When I was a young, oh my gosh, Clary, what is going on? When I was young, like when I was 10 years old, I was interested in gymnastics. I wanted to be flexible, you know, like the feet, like here. Yeah, flexible. And then I tried learning from the internet. Nag-PA class yun. Pasample nga ng it's really what is this? It's kinda, there's no space for me to do the splits here. Maybe when we had a big area, I can show you how to do the splits. Actually, I can even teach you how to do the splits in just 3 minutes. You want that? You want to learn the splits in 3 minutes? I can teach you. I can be your teacher. Kaya paano mag-dive sa oh my gosh. I honestly have no idea how to do that because I haven't tried it myself. Somersault. Let's play River. Question is, Are you not ready? Ano na yung bangs ko? Ang kaman nyo? I just finished my match, which is wow. I'll just leave it. Now we board. Tamang-tama kasi lakas ulan kanina. Malakas ulan kanina. Sana hindi mag-brown na out. You know this song? We performed it at Indonesia, at Bandung. It's my first time performing at open stage. And then it's raining. You know, we're performing river and then there's rain. It feels surreal. it feels refreshing to make dancing in the rain, dancing river. It's so nice. It's a nice experience. Yeah, you could really feel the river. Yeah, sure, syempre. Performing one. Umuulan din sa MV ng river nun. Part, the one that we performed at the opening of, I forgot that, where was it? My first time performing River. That part, I was like doing a little scorpion. Wild Rift. At Wild Rift, it's my first time performing River. And then, that part, the bridge one, I did the little scorpion. I was really nervous that time because, you know, it's not easy to do the scorpion with the long heels. Long heels? Yeah. Ang suot mo na ba yung issue? Oh my gosh, Vendel! Yeah, alam mo ba, Vendel, this is the seifuku that I wanted to wear. I want to wear the river seifuku. Hindi ko pa siya nasusuot. And then ito yung, parang ito na lang ba yung seifuku na hindi ko nasusuot? I don't know. Pero ito, gusto ko masuot yung river. Though sabi ng iba, yung mga river senbatsu, mabigat daw yung seifuku and it's hard to dance kasi you're carrying the seifuku really heavy. But I think it's okay for me as long as I'm wearing the seifuku. I want to wear the river seifuku. Sana masuot ko yung River Cebu ko. Ande! Ang ganda kasi, di ba? Like, yung pag ganun. Super cute. Tapos leather jacket. They have budget with this one. Anyways, it's already 10:33. I think I should end my life na. Ay, kumen eh. Parang mga skills lang sa ML, no? Wala eh, sabi ko, di ba? Ayun na. Magsasalita pa lang. You're part of my heart. You're part of yours. Thank you. Thank you, Cuddles Bear. Okay. So, let's play High Tension. Let's play High Tension. Mag-MNL muna tayo before tayo mag-end. Okay.
Super sulit at 95 pesos lang.
Oo nga. Perform this at Bandung. This this High Tension. It really gives you this this high tension. Gives you the what do you say? How do you call that? I'm sorry, I'm out of words. I cannot remember. But yeah, it gives you this energy. Ano daw? Hindi ko na din alam, Kimpot. Hindi ko na rin alam kung anong sinasabi ko. My brain is not braining. Ay, di maganda. Palangit para mag-out. Saan tissue? That is your favorite song? High Tension Prayer? I mean, this song is nice, but my favorite is Fortune Cookie. No! My favorite is Summertime. MNL. Yeah, that's my favorite. Miss ko na mag-call ng diamonds. Gusto mo call ng diamonds? You can... Ano na ba yung ngayon? That was like Kumo days, right? Oo nga, na-miss ko na rin mag-ano. Baka naman may Choco Hills kayo dyan. Baka naman meron kayong Malacanang. Are you tired of live yet? No. You know, FJT, I never get tired. I have this weird not feeling, not. You know, she just woke up. I get lots of sleep, so I have a lot of energy. I easily don't get tired. Tama ba? Is that even correct? Naka-matcha. Yeah, matcha is my charger, my comfort food. My comfort food.
Pag sumakit ang lower dyan, ang gamot mo, magaling mo yan. Para sa pool, ubus ko pa.
Gulong ka daw ba?
Tusok, in-minute.
Gulong daw ako?
Relax ang tiyan.
Ako, gulong?
Ubus ko pa.
Share ko lang, nalaman ng friend ko na mahilig ako sa matcha. Tapos sabi, may pinopermahan daw ako. Ha? Mahilig ka sa matcha? Tapos, ayun. Parang, ang ano naman nun, parang wala namang connect ang paghilig mo sa matcha. Tapos meron kang, ay, iba yung song. Kaya pa ba today? Siguro, kaya pa naman. Kaya pa naman. Meron ba tong steps? TikTok steps? Yung chorus, ane tayo, ay, ito. Tanda ko ito, music na sumasayaw kami ng grade school, full section pa. Ang nice naman ng music choice nyo, this song. Parang kapag siguro ako, ito yung pe-perform namin, I would give my 100% energy. 100% energy. Since the song is nice, di ba? Buo pa naman ang MNL48. Tiramisu cake. Tiramisu? Oh! Yes, we are immortal. Immortal. Siguro kahit kahit pag nag-G-word na meron pa din. Siyempre, that is MNL. Update naman sa grupo nyo, new single. Yes, we have this new single, which is our first original single, Summertime. If you haven't listened to it, try it. Try and groove. Immortality sikla. Naging Argus na sikla. First build ni Kla, yan, immortality. Oh, immortality talaga. Kapag nag-tank ako, minsan ang first build, hindi. First build ko, immortality ka. Para syempre may second life tayo. Meron sa Spotify. Meron sa Spotify. Try. Stream. Let's stream Summertime. Let's stream Summertime. Summertime, feeling alive. So let's take a dive. Pag pinansin mo ko, uuwi na talaga ako sa Encantadia. What? We're gonna go to Encantadia? Summertime by MNL48 po. Yes, let's stream Summertime. Let's stream Summertime. Let's stream Summertime. Yeah, let's stream. Let's keep on streaming. Oh, they have this EK Beach version. Wow. May iba pa palang version tong Ever After. Alam niyo, favorite ko tong song na to kasi parang nasa chan pa lang daw ako ni Mami. Ano daw, kapag pinapatugtog daw niya to, parang may sumisipa na sa chan. Sumasayaw daw ako. So sabi niya, kaya lagi niya to pinapakinggan. So parang yung may impact tong kanta na to sa dinamay pa si tita. Hindi nga, legit nga. Hindi, kailan pa kayo naniniwala sa mga sinasabi ko? Do I look like joking right now? Doesn't it seem... What? Okay. Let's try to listen to our first animal, which is rabbit. Panahon ng mga magulang natin yan. True. So, this is our last song. I'll see you next live. Sana huwag kayong susuko. Kayanin mo ka na! See you next live. Thank you for making us happy. You are welcome, and I thank you. I just want to say thank you if somehow I made you feel happy. Sana nag-notif si TikTok sa next live mo. Sana mag-notif nga, and parang ang hina nun. Kaya, ang espada! Nagda-notif naman sa amin. Alam ba ka siguro sa iba, kapag hindi ka naka-follow, kasi sino ba naman ang hindi naka-follow? Kaya, nakikita ko sino mga bagong follow lang sa akin. Yung mga nandito, tapos hindi naman naka-follow. Guys. Saan ka ba? Nice. Subukan mo lang magpalaro ng original na awang Indonesian music. Hala, did you translate it in Tagalog? It seems like you translated it. Hala, I like to listen. I mean, I've been listening to Indonesian songs. We've been listening. On my live, we've been playing a lot of Indonesian songs. Naka-follow naman ako, class. Yes, I'm translate Tagalog. Oh? Wow, the effort. Yeah, I'm listening to Indonesian songs. I like JKT songs. Indo parang kahawig din salita natin. Yes, maraming mga similarities na words na ito din pala yung nila, parang word, same word sa atin. Same word sa atin. Minsan sa settings ng phone, isi-set kong link up. It's time na para matuto magbahasa. You are correct, ha? Ano? Lobat na. As usual. Lagi na lang ganyan. Actually, everyday, ganyan na talaga. Nahanap ko yung power bank ko eh. Aanahin ko yung cabinet ko. So, I think yung gano'n. Pero hindi ko makita. Pero I'll flash. Bababat. low bat. Anong ML? Nag-ML kasi. Hindi sa cellphone ko, dinulit ko na lahat ng games. Kumbaga, sa tab na ako nag-ML, bigger screen na yan. Ayun yung yung bumili kasi ako ng tab. Tapos, ayun na yung gift ko sa sarili ko. Since I have to write, tawag dito? Hindi kasi I have to take notes para makasave din sa paper. Makasave sa paper. I have to write kasi I like taking down notes. I like to take down notes since we have to be organized at all times. I like to do my to-do list. What I'm supposed to do the next day, what I want to do right now. Like, we want to be organized. So I bought that, and it's also my gift to myself na din. And then that's where I download the heavy games which my cell phone cannot handle. Kaya ayun, I had the Honkai, then the Genshin. Kaya slay. Oo, nakla! Sige. Ang laptop ko po, ayun. Na siya, tuluyan na siyang Jalgayo Obsoyo. Ayun, guys. I think I would end my live na. I would end my live na, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching till the very end. Salamat po. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night. See you next month. Bye-bye. Love you. Adios. Si Dio na sa harapan ko. Kumakamot. Thank you po, Nando. Good night. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Hello. Ayun, bye-bye. Don't forget to stream summertime. Bye-bye. Ay, nag-isip na ako kung anong pwedeng ma-TikTok. Wala na kasi akong ma-TikTok. And then gusto ko kasi pag iti-TikTok ko na yung summertime, that would be the choreo. Kapag gagawin ko yung TikTok ng summertime. Kaya wala akong TikTok ng summertime kasi I want it to be the choreo. Choreo dance. And then, kapag lumabas na yun, puro dance lang talaga. Nag-chika pa. Puro dance lang talaga. I would make lots of dance cover sa summertime. Ayan lang. Pa bago mag-ano. Sige, ayun lang. Bye-bye. Good night na talaga. Ay, hindi parang siguro ang tagal ko na kasi hindi nakapag-TikTok. Kaya nag-iisip ko na pwede kong ma-TikTok. Wala kasi ako ma-TikTok. Kaya, wala akong maisip. Kasi wala ako maisip ng TikTok. Wala rin ako makita. Pwede ma-TikTok. Kung nakikita ko lang, binanastic girl. Which is, naman, di pwede. Siyempre, bawal. Kaya, ayun, bye-bye.